Artificial intelligence, once a distant dream, now shapes the rhythm of our everyday lives. From predicting the weather to diagnosing diseases, AI learns at a speed no human mind can match. It studies patterns, solves problems, and in milliseconds makes decisions that used to take us years. But behind every intelligent machine lies a simple truth. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify us. To take over the repetitive, the dangerous, the impossible, so humans can focus on creativity, compassion, and progress. As algorithms evolve and machines grow smarter, one question remains. How we use this power will define the future of our species. This is not just technology. This is the next chapter of human evolution.
Can't understand Gen Z? Ever heard Gen Z talk and felt confused? Let's decode it. Welcome to the Gen Z Dictionary. Slay. Slay means you did something amazingly well. Low-key. Low-key means subtly or not too obvious. NPC. It describes someone moving through life on autopilot. No cap. No cap means no lies. Fast. Expressive. Online. Gen Z slang comes from the internet and changes fast. Now you speak Gen Z, at least a little.
Gen Z doesn't talk, they code. Let's decode it. If you've ever felt lost reading Gen Z comments, this is your dictionary. Riz, meaning charisma, smooth talking. Example, bro has unlimited riz. SUS, meaning suspicious, not trustworthy. Example, that excuse sounds sus. MID, meaning average, not impressive. Example, that movie was mid, slay, meaning you nailed it, you're killing it. Example, that outfit, slay, vibe, ick, 8, NPC, main character, now you speak Gen Z. If you understood all of these, you might already be Gen Z.
Nice. Artificial intelligence is already in your life. You just don't notice it. Your day starts with AI. It decides what you see next. Going somewhere? AI finds the fastest route. Writing emails, editing videos, studying smarter. AI works with you. Music you love, movies you binge, it knows your taste. You ask, AI listens and gives you the answers. AI isn't the future, it's your everyday. You didn't search for it, artificial intelligence found it. That's why it feels perfect. It's upgrading everyday life. Are you using it or just living with it?
India's classrooms are changing, but outdated methods, limited resources, and exam pressure still hold us back. AI can personalize learning, automate feedback, and teach in regional languages. From remote villages to crowded cities, AI bridges the gap. India's future isn't waiting. AI is already unlocking it. AI in education. The time is now. The global AI in education market is growing fast, over 45% annually. Yet today, one teacher still manages 30 to 40 students with different learning speeds. Automated grading saves teachers up to 10 hours a week. AI isn't replacing educators, it's scaling human potential.
What really happens when you stay 24 hours in airplane mode, completely offline? No calls, no data, no notifications. It becomes a distraction-free device. The first hours feel strange. We're used to constant notifications. But slowly, the silence becomes peaceful. Your mind starts to calm down after a few hours. Something powerful happens, focus returns. No interruptions mean your brain enters deep work mode. You think clearly. You work faster. As more hours pass, your mental clarity improves. Ideas become easier. You feel lighter, more relaxed, almost refreshed. In the final hours, you begin reconnecting with yourself. You notice your surroundings. You feel present. You feel calm, and when you finally turn airplane mode off, the world comes back.
Every time your phone lights up with a notification, something interesting happens inside. Let's quickly see how a notification travels from an app all the way to your screen. It starts when an app sends a message to the server, like "Send alert to this user." The server checks everything: your ID, device type, settings, and prepares the notification. Next, it travels through push services like FCM or APNS to reach your phone. Your phone wakes the screen, plays sound, and finally shows the notification. And that's how a tiny alert travels a long journey, just to notify you.
Ping! Every day, thousands of notifications fight for your attention. But have you ever wondered what happens inside a notification before you tap? Let's zoom in. A notification starts as a tiny data packet, a message, alert, or reminder crafted by an app you interacted with earlier. In milliseconds, it travels through servers, gets wrapped in security layers, and races towards your device, deciding when and how it should appear. Once it arrives, your phone's operating system checks. Is it urgent? Is it relevant? Should it vibrate, display a banner, or stay quietly in the background? Then comes the big moment. The screen lights up, the sound pops, the vibration buzzes, and all of that happens in less than a heartbeat.
What happens? When you spend 24 hours on airplane mode, first, your brain gets a break. No notifications, no buzzing, no distractions. Your battery suddenly lasts way longer because your phone isn't searching for signal every second. Your focus improves. With the noise gone, you start getting real work done without even trying. You naturally shift to real-life activities, cooking, reading, resting, or just being present. Time slows down a little. Your mind stops jumping from app to app and starts breathing again. You notice small things you usually miss, like sounds, thoughts, or ideas you've been too busy to hear. You'll also realize how often you reach for your phone out of habit. Then, when you turn it back on, the notification avalanche hits. But after 24 hours of silence, they don't feel as urgent as they used to. You return calmer, clearer, and more refreshed. Try it even for a day. Your mind might thank you.
What happens when you turn on airplane mode for 24 hours? Your phone disconnects completely. No calls, no messages, no notifications. For a moment, you're no longer part of the crowd, you're just yourself. You get out of the fake so-called social life, and you actually start thinking. You get time to do things that you always wanted to do. Go for a walk. Finish that book. Work on an idea. Or just let your mind slow down, or spend some quality time with the family.